a complete guide for critical thinking and problem-solving methods. So what is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the intellectually disciplined process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, or evaluating information gathered from or generated by observation, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication as a guide to belief and action. How about problem solving? Problem solving is the process of achieving a goal by overcoming obstacles, a frequent part of most activities. Problems in need of solutions range from simple personal tasks to complex issues in business and technical fields. Critical thinking and problem solving are both needed to help you resolve challenges. 5 steps on critical thinking. There are identification, investigation, analyze, reflect, and decision. Now are the 4 steps on problem solving. Firstly, you need to define the problem, brainstorm the ideas, put to test the ideas, and take action.